Good morning. I just got down to the studio. I am in the middle of getting my printers ready. I already got the bunnies taken care of. The dogs are down here with me today also. So I'm just gonna hang out today, print more truck beds, more Etsy orders, and just vlog my day. Now they are ready for taillights. It's about 3:30, 4 o'clock now. I am going to be getting ready to slow down for the evening. So let's package some orders and get them ready to take to the post office for tomorrow. Okay, so we have Bailey who ordered one 4-inch goat cookie cutter. Next we have Jennifer who ordered one 5-inch lamb cookie cutter. Next we have Quentin who ordered 4 items. All of them are 3 inches. We have a lamb, goat, pig, and cow. Next we have our last order with 2 items of both 4 inches of a goat and lamb cookie cutter. First up, we'll do Bailey's. Don't forget the thank you card. Next is Jennifer's. Last but not least, Paige. Alrighty, I will get these off to the post office tomorrow with the other one that I packed last night. So thank you for hanging out with me, and if you like daily vlogs, let me know. If you want to keep it weekly, let me know. As you can see, well, you can't see because now you're finally up in the correct position, but in front of me I've been working on these truck beds pretty much all day still, and that's pretty much going to consume all of my time the rest of this week. So thanks for hanging out, and don't forget to subscribe.